Hello guys, today we make wine rice. I done already this recipe years ago, but now I am in Indonesia and the rice is really abundant. Rice for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for the snack, rice in all kind. So I will do again the video, also because in the other video some people complain you add sugar, you add water, so your wine is from the sugar with the taste of rice, but many enjoy it, so up to you. You can try this recipe also, the old one. Yesterday night I take 2 kilograms of glutinous rice. You can use the rice that you find in your country. I put in the water with 3 liters of water and I left all the night like this. Now we should cook it. So now I will remove it from the water, put in 2 different pots because 2 kilograms of rice I cannot cook in this small pot and also in my rice cooker. So I will do half and half. If you want you can throw the water and wash the rice, but I think all the dust, all the things are already in the water, so up to you. Two kilograms of rice and 3 liters of water. How you should cook your rice? If you use the rice cooker, very easy, put the rice, the water in the machine, press start and the rice will be cooked. For the pot, something similar, put the rice, cover with the water should be on the top of the rice at least 2 fingers. Put the pot on the stove, minimum power, and you wait until the rice is cooked. Also for this pot that you use in the rice cooker, always 2 fingers of water on the top of the rice. See you when the rice is cooked. After 30 minutes, we remove our pot from the fire with the lid. Please don't open the lid, and we wait until it reach the room temperature. Same things with the rice cooker. We unplug the power, we off the rice cooker, and we wait until the rice reach the room temperature. Some people usually put the rice on the table. In this way, he cold or cooled faster. But also the steam will go away and the rice will be a little bit dry. We want our rice very soft and a little bit watery, because this will help the fermentation. And plus, if you keep close like this with the warmth and the steam, the rice will be cooked even more. So see you later when you reach the room temperature to put the rice in the fermenter with the yeast. After 5 hours, the rice reached the room temperature, so we can go ahead with the fermentation. This is Chinese yeast balls. Don't worry, I put the link under the video to buy the proper yeast on Amazon, very easy. You can use this kind of yeast or also the one in a normal package. Usually the Angel's yeast is the best one. So now I will smash one of these balls. In total I have 12, 13, 15 balls. 15. That is 50 grams. I will use it all because it's easy to find, to speed up a little bit the fermentation. You can smash it with a glass on a dish and put on the rice. So I will put yeast, rice, yeast, rice, yeast, rice until the fermenter will be full. Very easy. Okay, after we close with the lid, on the top of the lid the airlock, when something starts moving inside my fermenter, I will update you. After 36 hours the fermentation starts, but most important, there is some liquid inside our fermenter, so I can check the original gravity. The original gravity is 1080. I give you an update about our rice wine. After 2 weeks the fermentation slowed down, still working because maybe in few minutes we'll make another bubbles, and also the rice is floating, so the fermentation is still going on. After 7 days, 10 days, your fermentation will start to slow down. Now we should keep like this other 15 days. Usually in total is 1 month of fermentation. You can notice already on the bottom the yeast, the dead yeast, and also, I don't know if you notice, the wine is less foggy and more yellowish because the dead yeast start to go on the bottom. After 21 days the fermentation is complete. Now we can put our wine in the bottles. In the bottles I add a little bit of sugar because I want the wine really sparkling. Now it's a little bit sparkling, but I like it sparkling. Remember, no more than 10 grams per liter and make the proportion. These bottles are 33 cl, so I will add 3.5 grams. No more, if no, will be too sparkling and the bottle will explode. I check also the final gravity, that is 1005. The original gravity was 1080. The difference is 75 divided by the coefficient, that is 7.5. The alcohol content at the moment is 10%. With the sugar inside will be 10.5% of alcohol by volume. Now we'll put the wine in the bottles. After I will tell you with this ingredient how much wine you can make it. With 2 kilograms of rice, we have 2 liters of clear wine. You can see it's very clear. At the end the bottle are 250 ml and not 330, sorry. Plus half liter of foggy wine, because it's the last one. If you put in the fridge and wait at least 1 week, after will be clear like this one, so you can put in the bottles after 1 week. Plus, if you squeeze a little bit more the rice, you will have another half liter more foggy. Maybe you can use it for cooking, like when you make risotto we add a little bit of wine, or when you cook the meat you can add also a little bit of wine. Will be perfect. If you have some idea about how to use this fermented rice, let us know down in the comment. I know that in some countries they do pancakes, or if you are living in Asia probably you use a lot of rice, also the fermented one. Let us know in the comment to benefit all the people that will try this recipe, so we can use also this fermented rice. Plus, because I have already the yeast very active, maybe I will do another kind of rice wine using different rice. If you change the rice, the taste will be different. You can use basmati, maybe I will use black or red rice. In this way the color will be also different. Now, because I add the sugar, I will wait 2 weeks, keeping my bottle at room temperature. In this way the sugar that I add inside will ferment it and my wine will be very sparkling. But if you don't like sparkling wine, the wine is already ready to be drink. Spectacular. You can taste the alcohol, also if the alcohol is low, but after also you can taste the sweetness from the rice. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. I greet you directly from the rice field of Manado. Bye bye!